Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful straight wig that I have installed. If you're interested in finding out more details about this beautiful install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is AliGrace. This is my first official collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 24-inch 4x4 transparent lace closure wig. This is in the straight texture, 180% density. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with some foundation just around there. Just to hide that little white line. I think we're going for like no baby hair look today. Do you see how much flatter it gets when you spray the hairspray compared to not? So that's with the hairspray. I just love this. Now I'm gonna use a different one because I don't want to always use Ebon, but I feel like the Ebon works the best. So I'm gonna use this Chi hairspray, which is also very good too. Oops, sprayed that in the wrong spot. Look at that, super flat. That's what we're going for. Looking good. The part looks good, but we can do better. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite powders. Give it more scalp. Yeah, I'm loving how that's looking. This is like that Naomi Campbell install, you know? No baby hairs, just like flat down, no plucking. So I like to go over it a few times because yeah, I like it Very, very straight. This flat iron I did a review on like many moons ago, and I still love it. I use it every time for my straight wigs. Really good. I do have a coupon code. I think it's like 70% off. You can use it if you want. So because I'm not doing like really fine sections, I'm just kind of going over everything. Going over everything, everywhere. Is bound to get it all. Installed this unit, I did bleach the knots off camera. As you guys can see, that's what the wig is looking like up close. I like to bleach my knots. Even if it's on a closure wig, I still like to bleach my knots just because it gives the most realistic look. It's a transparent lace, but I didn't really have any issues. It did melt really well. So we did go in with some foundation just to hide the hairlines. When you have transparent lace on the darker, deeper skin tones, it tends to leave like a little light cast, a little light line. So I always go in with some foundation along the hairline. Now we did a pretty simple install today. I wanted to go for like my classic go-to. This is like the style I used to always wear my straight wigs, like no baby hairs, no plucking, no nothing. This is how I used to wear my wigs. This is how Naomi Campbell wears her wigs to this day. Okay guys, I think this style is timeless. So no baby hairs, no plucking, no nothing. Just put it on, part it, flatten it, and you're good to go. I really wanted this wig to lay super flat, more so because I wasn't planning on putting any baby hairs or plucking this unit. We achieved a very flat look and I'm really happy with how it came out. I want to talk about the density of the unit. I say 180%. It's really good for 180%. I would say yes, it is true to 180%. It's going to look thinner automatically. Usually when you have like a wig that's more like Remy hair, that's not as good quality virgin hair as maybe, you know, a really good quality one, it's going to look more frizzy and thicker. But when it's really straight and sleek like this, it tends to look thinner, but it's really not thin. As I'm feeling it and running my hands through it, it feels really good density. As you guys saw in the install portion, I did go over it with a flat iron like 5 times because I wanted it really silky and smooth. That's what the wig is looking like. I didn't put any products throughout the hair. All I did was put some hairspray here and some like edge tamer. I love this wig. It actually fits me really well. You can definitely wear this wig glueless. It's not too tight. It literally fits my head like a glove. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below, or just leave a comment on your thoughts on this unit, on this install. What do you guys think of like the no baby hair look? Every now and then, is it acceptable? Because I think it looks really cute. That is the end of this review. If you made it this far into the video, girl, you are the MVP of the day. I want to thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. It means so much to me. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.